Okay, Fireflash. Hold it dead steady. Maintain low safe cruising. Any adjustments to be made will be done from our end. Lieutenant Meddings, who is making this attempt, will be in contact with us both on this frequency.
Roger. Now at low safe cruising and steady.
Here we go. Okay, Bob. Stand by.
Okay. Ready.
Away you go.
Okay. Winch out.
Start winches.
Right.
Running into turbulence.
Left 1 degree. Right 2 degrees. Right, hold present course. Stand by to stop winches.
Hold her steady. Here he comes.
Stop winches.
Stop winches.
Okay, Fireflash. Open number 4 inspection hatch. Keep her steady. 1 false move now and I've had it.
Open number 4 hatch. Check trim.
I'm going to try and board now. Target 1. Give me more cable, a foot at a time.
Coming up now.
Again. Again. 1 more time. Hold it. Okay. Count of 5 and then up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Cut cable.
Bob, are you okay?
Okay. I'm aboard. I can't see the bomb. Keep her steady. I'm trying to get a little higher. Still can't see it.
It's probably located near the master cylinders on the yellow hydraulic system.
I can see it. I'm going to try and get nearer. It's no good. It's no good. I can't reach it. I had to dismantle the pumps to get anywhere near it. Hold on. I'm going to try around the other side.
He's fallen! His shooters failed!
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunderbirds are go.